As part of the partnership working, we were asked to have a look at some course material that had been produced in England with a view to mapping it across to the Welsh standards for essential skills.
It was, great to be involved in the writing of it. We've often talked about having a resource that we know covers absolutely everything that our learners would need to know for essential skills.
We had no idea that functional skills in England were so different in many ways to the essential skills frameworks in Wales. The maths took us a lot longer and presented us with a few more challenges to overcome.
So it was then a case of actually starting from scratch, I think, with the maths, but it was the right thing to do because what we've got now is a fantastic resource for all of the learners in the college but across Wales.
Bod nifer ohonon ni wedi astudio mathemateg trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg yn ysgol, does dim llawer o adnoddau iaith Gymraeg mathemateg ar-lein ar gael am ddim ar gyfer oedolion.
Mae'r myfyrwyr yna wedi bod yn gwneud mathemateg tygau trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg. Mae hwnna'n mynd i helpu nhw trwy'r asesiadau a trwy ail-wneud y papurau mathemateg. A mae hwnna'n werth fawr i ni fel coleg ac fel cymuned.
It's having that one resource that we know, if our learners do that, it's going to cover everything that they need to know.
We've been able to pilot the resources bilingually to use in classrooms or for students to use on their own at home, and being able to test out what works and what's successful.
I think for us this was a fantastic opportunity for us to be able to really harness the skills and expertise of our basic skills team, and what we were able to do through this project was use their knowledge and experience to create some fantastic resources that, using the skills and expertise of the OU and putting that onto an online platform, we're now able to get all of that knowledge and share it with our learners.